go. What's in the bag? The box. Inside the box. Let's sit here. Got stuff in here. We'll put all these little things on the side. Let's get to the main thing. There we go.
Oh wow, that's beautiful. Iwari Deluxe edition.
box little bit. There you go.
Here we go.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
There we go.
Beautiful artwork.
There we go.
It almost look like Dali's artwork.
Lux edition. There you go. Alright. So this booklets in the box. These are extra cards. These are like the fixed cards or something happens. I had to have that in here. These are special
Token monies. Money.
Have to look that up. The sleeves for the cards.
Sleeves for the cards. What is this?
Oh, probably metal coins inside or something. For coins and everything. And
Yeah, there's money in there.
Yeah, special bags.
Bags?
For the treasure.
What's that? What's that?
Okay, so
Okay, let's open it up. Iwari. Do you have to cut that neat?
yeah, I mean just cutting it real fast.
Nice. Yeah.
And I would exterior if I just cut this part. It's fine already. There you go, see that? Oh, they have that special.
That's very pretty.
Probably stay on the other side, but we'll never find out. Let's get inside the box, right?
I like the artwork. It's so beautiful.
Okay, you ready?
Ready, set, open! Ta-da!
Okay, this is a
Two books.
yeah, this is the original, and the deluxe came with the special void, I believe.
Interesting character.
So, I know you're not familiar with everything, but this is. Whoa, look at
What's that? What's that?
focus, but look at that.
Oh, different elements?
Look at that.
Yeah, like
That's nice.
different elements.
Check this out.
Wow, what's that?
Okay, these are the totems. Ooh, look at
They're pretty.
that. Well, good. I don't have to paint them or wash them. Right?
Yeah.
So these are going to be on here, and you put this on top. So the more the person can put it on top, it builds the total, and the more points that way. Does that make sense?
Okay.
You know what I mean?
Let's see.
See? And it's different, so it depends on what color you like. This looks like a owl elephant.
Oh, wow. What is the character? This is waves, huh?
Yeah, so water. Get the baby in the back. You have to pick up. And then get this one that is the, I don't know what that is.
Trees. The wood element. Trees. Yeah, trees. Is it tree branches?
Oh, see the purple and wonderful.
It's like the Easter. The Easter. Let's see.
Oh, look at
What
you.
else?
Oh, yeah. So what they did is they gave you more than one board.
Wow. Oh, it's a nice board.
Let's
see,
open up. So you can play on this board.
Wow.
Okay. But they gave us like 3 boards and should be double sided, so you can play on more than one. And this
very
adds
nice.
the different.
I'll get it just for board. Very nice.
But that's not it. There's more boards. So the deluxe, they give you way more different boards.
Yeah, different boards.
Yeah. So this one looks more separated. See the items? Oh, there look the ice. boy.
Number 3 board.
Oh, that one really looks neat. Because it's a lot of islands, so you're gonna have to figure out all this stuff. Wow, that's cool. That's nice. At first, I was a little thrown off by the
Nice map.
coloring.
Well,
But-
it represents the
Yeah, the
totem
locations and stuff.
of the elements, yeah. So this look like
And this is the expansion, I guess.
Oh,
The
this is
void
upside
has the
down.
purple. It's okay.
it's like this.
So that's the 3 boards already. But it's the deluxe. So it's
So we have number 4 board. Number 4.
there's 4 boards.
And this number 4.
And double sided, so that's 8 altogether. Ah, so you're gonna.
This look like Europe a little bit.
So at least you're gonna have a lot of variety. Wow, okay. You like the books?
Yeah, very nice.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, it's shiny.
Special.
Yeah, I see the
Oh, special bonus there. Alrighty, now we got the. These are the tents.
the tents.
That's
are
the,
so
yeah,
cute.
that's the void, and these are the tents for the blue.
Oh,
This is something.
something, something.
This is a special coin that they always give. You get Thunder Grip, you always get that special coin. To collect it, it's very nice and used as a first player token. Really enjoy that. This is the other board.
There's another board.
Yeah, this should be for
The score.
yeah.
The scoreboard. Yeah. The scores.
That's too much.
Too bright.
These are the other colors. Look at that. To the sun and the
So
mountain.
pretty.
To open them. Not to open them. Not to open them. These are the tents.
Wow.
Tents. Even the tents are different. It's not regular.
Like different tribes or something?
Yeah. See? It's gonna match your colors.
To match the symbolism up there, yeah.
Yeah, so it goes with it. Let's see. So this is your first impression for sure. Let's see. These are other things that I forgot what it is. There. Markers, different totems.
Look like totems.
And then we get the cards. Ah, yeah.
Very mysterious.
So,
Want to open it? Open!
there's a gold thing. It should be somewhere there. There. Oh my god. Come on. 10 minutes later. There we go. Yes. Get the first one. Alright. Check up here.
Oh, this symbolism.
Yeah, symbols. And these are. Maybe you gotta fit
I have,
the.
see,
Oh, that's neat. So these are points. Maybe you need a certain tents or something after you get all this.
different elements.
Wow, looks nice here.
Oh, it's very pretty.
Yeah. Look. Feels so tribal. Oh, these are nice. Oh, look at that.
Nice artwork.
Really nice.
Waterfall.
These are the play cards. So these are cards you're going to be playing in your hand. So that's symbols are going to represent what you need. So these are
forest creatures.
Yeah, this other spirit.
She's pretty.
Cloud, air. See the air?
Uh-huh.
That was forest.
Oh,
This could
what's
be
that? Fire? Or
the,
no,
the
these.
desert. Or, I gotta look
I
up the
wonder
exact
what they
name.
are.
There's like crystal earth.
Oh, she's pretty.
Just water.
Water, yeah. Zoom in close up to her face. Oh, pretty.
We'll do that. Okay, and then you get some other